Friends, welcome to Juani's Garden. My name is Juani. Friends, we're in our New Mexico property. We're here cleaning. My son and I are taking care of the little stuff. And I've hired somebody to clean the back, the 2 acres, so that I can start planting my trees. We had to cut this tree, friends, because it was dried up. That one too. And friends, look, so there's no porch here. So the plan is to put up a porch over here, extended about maybe 6 to 8 feet. Have a little sitting area here, and then build like a brick wall around it, because we're in the desert, friends, and there's a lot of dust, a lot of sand, and so that'll hopefully keep the front of the house from getting so much sand. So let me take you to the back where the machinery is. Everything that's dried up is going to get removed, like right there. Pretty much everything is dried up here, friends, because we've owned the property for about 3 years and we haven't lived here yet. And the people that lived here before, they didn't do much towards the end. So anyway, here are the people that are going to clean for me. There's the equipment, there's a tractor, and they're getting ready. It's going to be a big project. It's only 2 of them, so it's going to take them a little while. I have a little visitor. Friends, look at there. A little visitor. I hope he's friendly. I don't know who he is with. But anyway, look, friends, there is the tractor over there. And I cannot wait, friends, to see this all cleaned up, cleared up. So that say cheese. So friends, over here, that little covered patio is going to become an office. We're going to close it in, and then this right here is the mudroom. So in between the office and the mudroom, we're gonna do another porch. There's gonna be a back porch, and I'm super excited about this project. Super excited. Of the trees that we cut up, we saved all the dry wood, and it's over there, and we're gonna go ahead and chip it for mulching. And this tree here is humongous, so the people here are gonna give it a little push with the tractor, get out of the way, and we can also chip that one. But friends, look, so much land, so much land, that I finally I think this year will be the year that we bring our trees over here, get them planted. That little storage shed also is getting redone. So friends, thanks so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you again soon.